Welcome! In today's episode I work on top covers for my large composite RC plane. First I add blockings on the top where compression forces occur when the wings generate lift. I might have to make it stronger, but I want to start with minimum weight and then test it. I add duct tape where I don't want the epoxy to stick. Next I glue in small strips of fiberglass offcuts. Then I clean it up with a file. I repeat the process for the other side. Now it's time for fiberglass layup. 3 to 4 layers should make a nice tab. I will most likely end up cutting out an air intake into the gray panel, but that's for later. Back to the blockings. I add 2 to 3 layers on the top of the blockings and I make sure that the cloth makes contact with the top skin of the wing. Then I cover everything with a plastic film. Next, I place this thin fiberglass panel on the top and I secure it with pieces of tape. For the layup I use some leftover carbon fiber and fiberglass. I make sure to not block GPS and antennas with carbon fiber since it is conductive and it absorbs the radio waves. I made a mistake by adding the plastic on top, which made the surface bumpy. But it's okay, I still have to add more glass when I'm ready to install the FPV camera. Finally, I remove the panels and clean it all up. I also wanted to show you how I see the ice runway for the maiden flight. I think it will be really cool. That's all for today, and more coming soon.